You had to sing it for me a second. Okay. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Jake.
Our favorite song of 2009 is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. And we have a guest appearance here, and she's going to sing it for you. Sing it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are up above the woods high. Yeah, sing it. Start at the beginning. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
Oh, this is C.
Yeah. Will you sing the song? Sing the song.
Mommy.
Hi. Sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Mommy.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Failed attempt, but we got far enough in the song.